On behalf of the Zimbrick family employees, thank you, Madison, for voting us Best of Madison Gold in all three categories: Best Auto Dealer, Best Auto Repair, and Best Body Shop. Thank you for your business. We truly appreciate it.
Thank you, Madison, for voting us #1. It makes all of our long hours worth it.
Muchísimas gracias por haber votado que somos los mejores de Madison en todas las categorías.
Winning Best of Madison tells us that we're on the right path. I think we've got the right employees, and we're taking care of customers.
It's the continuation of the customer service. It's not just selling them the car, it's talking to them when they come in for service, getting them a cup of coffee, walking them over parts, just talking about life.
I just think it shows that we care for our customers as we do our family. We take care of people and make sure we do the best that we can.
Mean a lot to us. Obviously, the community means a lot to Zimbrick as well.
Being best of Madison is great to hear that we're serving our community to the point where they're able to recognize us. My favorite part about interacting with the customers is seeing how their day's going, getting them their parts, and getting them on their way.
It means that we're treating our customers like family.
Our goal is to keep you as a customer for a long time. It's not just to sell you a car, but gaining your trust to a point that you're not going to shop anywhere else.
Folks that I had sold cars to personally 10 to 15 years ago have come back to buy their second and third and fourth car from now my salespeople.
Thanks for voting Best of Madison. We're here to help you guys out.
Thank you to the Zimbricks for making this company what it is today.